Hey guys, okay, so we're jumping straight into the video. I am in the mood for a short bob. What do you think? I know this wig is really long and I really like it, but I'm over it. Okay, so I washed, blow dried, and straightened this hair so it is completely bone straight. Now we are gonna go ahead and cut it. Okay, I have no clue what I am doing. I am not a professional. What we have are 2 ponytails, some scissors. The scissors that I have are the only amazing scissors in my house, which are these bad boys. These scissors are heavy duty scissors. You can cut through anything with these. I'm gonna use these. And then I just have my flat iron plugged in and a comb. Okay, so we're gonna just start with this side. And I'm gonna take my comb and then just brush through my hair to make sure it's completely even. No tangles, no nada, no nothing. And then I am going to just pony tie it off. I'm nervous. I don't want to cut too much off. But I'm not gonna cut it too short. I'm gonna cut it a little bit longer than I should. Just because I want to make sure I give myself mess up room. With this one, so we don't mess up the pony, I'm gonna pony tie it up extremely high. And then just pull the pony down to match the other side. Okay, does that look even? That looks even, right? Okay, on camera it doesn't look even. This one looks more lower. Okay, now it looks even. Okay, so now that we have our ponies on, we're gonna go ahead and cut. I don't want to do this anymore. Okay, so just cut right under the pony. I feel like I'm cutting my hair, my real hair. Alright, scissors, don't fail me now. I don't know if I want short hair anymore. Oh my god, I cut all my hair off. Alright, let's do the other side. I'm nervous. Maybe I should have did it in skinnier pieces because it's so much hair. Okay, so clearly it's gonna be uneven. So now it's time to remove the ponies. Oh my god, I have short hair. Yeah, short and even hair. Look at that. Look at the back. Do is just take my little scissors and then just run through the bottom to cut off the extra pieces. From what I saw on YouTube, because I did watch a whole bunch of videos before I did this, you're supposed to cut backwards. So I'm gonna try and do that. But I'm left-handed, so that's hard, but we'll see. Is that backwards or forwards? I really need to cut back hair. But I'm scared. but I look good. Hey now. Okay, let me be for real. Hey, okay, so this is not as straight as it can be. It's probably cut all kinds of crazy, but I really like it, and I'm gonna leave it like this.
Need you to stay. Check. Ay, baby, let me tell you what I need. I need a chick that's gon' keep it real with me. I ain't playing games, girl, I only play for keeps. These niggas in your draft ain't even in my league, man, they can't compete. I'm so elite, I need you to be elite with me. I need that Love Jones love between you and me. You need more, he gave you less, you need me to stay. I'm a different type of nigga than your last babe. He don't know what he missing, I'ma finish what he started. You broke a hearted, I'ma recharge it. You charged up and I love it, yeah. You don't give a damn and I love it, yeah. You don't give a fuck what these niggas say. You don't give a damn how they feel about you. You don't give a fuck what anybody say. You know what it is, you ain't got shit to prove, yeah.